I still zone out. They talking plans and straight routines, but I still chase that finished dream scene. I sit alone and hum a line, ignore the tick and blur the time. I know I'm not the perfect one, but I'm not done, I've just begun. No, I'm not blind to how life goes, I just don't want to fold so close. I'm not ready to land, don't pull me down, don't take my stand. Even if I drift too high, at least I'll say I tried to fly. They keep saying grow up fast, but I just wanna make it last.